Leo, can you show me your going on the boat story, please? Show me your going on the boat story. Thanks, babe.
I am going to stay on my Grammys and the Rose boat.
I have not been on the boat since I was very little.
We always wear our life jackets on the boat.
We even wear our life jackets when we use the potty. We can take our life jackets off when we go to bed in our cabin. There are lots of things to do on the boat. We can go fishing.
We can see dolphins and other sea creatures.
We can ride on a raft. Mommy or Daddy can take us upstairs to look at the view. That is called going above deck. We can watch the fish in the bait tank. We will sit down at the table to eat our meals.
What's next, babe?
We can even watch our favorite videos.
What's next, babe? Leo, can you do the next scene, please?
Going on the boat is so much fun.
Is that it? What's next, babe? All done. Thanks, Leo.